Good morning, everybody. Back down here. Wanted to show you guys an update on how the brassica's doing. I think it's looking okay. It's not super big. We've been very dry, but I think it turned out all right. I mean, all the way down here. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. I mean, look at that. I don't know if we're gonna have any bulbs or anything. It's been so dry. I mean it's growing all right though. Still got a couple months yet. We're just now at the end of August. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Actually kind of happy about it. Not a weedy mess. I know down here in Ohio we're getting hit with EHD real bad, so I'm trying to get as much food as I can out for them, whatever deer do survive. Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with this. I'll take it. I'll come in here by the end of the month and I'll put one to rye down. But I think it came out pretty good. Yeah, not bad at all. All right, we'll go check out the other areas. I think it's looking pretty good though. We got a lot of work to do today, doing a day trip down here. All right, let's go look at some other areas. This makes me mad. There's all raccoon damage on the corn. Big section of it. There's still a lot left, but God, that makes me mad. Look at all this. Raccoon damage is just everywhere. All right, guys, give you guys an update on the soybeans. I think they're pretty good. I mean, they're over waist tall. Field's got some weeds in it, but that's all right. I need to move this camera. It's just all it's taking a picture of is weeds. But it's definitely tall. Got all kinds of pods growing up on it. Everywhere. This is awesome. Look at that. Just full of pods. Barely walk in this stuff. It's so thick. Holy cow.